Hi, my name's Abid Warsi. I'm a Senior Consultant here at Webcredible. Mobile usability is one of the areas we work in, and that's what I'm going to be talking about today. And talk about how to design websites that are easy to use and give a good user experience on a mobile phone. So firstly, I want to talk about what are the key challenges when browsing the internet on a website compared to doing it on a PC. Then after that, I'll go on to show best practice guidelines. So the first difference, and perhaps the most obvious difference, is screen size. So as we can see, mobile phone screens are typically the fraction of the size of a PC screen. So that means that, when looking at a website that's been designed for PCs using a mobile phone, we can see a lot less of that web page at any given time in detail than we can while using a PC. One of the other differences is the orientation. So PC websites are designed to be shown on a PC screen, which is typically landscape. And when we design for those monitors, we generally use the whole width that we can. But as you can see on a mobile phone, they generally have a narrow portrait orientation, which means we can see a lot less of the width of any page at any given time. Now, with the newer, more advanced smartphones, you have the ability to turn them sideways and use them as landscape screens. However, you're still looking at the size of these. You can see a lot less width at any given time using a mobile phone screen than you can on a PC screen. The second key difference is when it comes to text entry. So using the sort of PC keyboards we have at the top, we're generally quite good at these. They've got large buttons, they're spread out nicely and designed for use with our fingers, and we generally do a decent job of using those. But the same can't be said of entering text using mobile phones. Whenever we've done usability testing on mobile phone keypads in our labs here, we find that people are a lot slower and they make a lot more errors when using any type of mobile keypad. It doesn't matter whether it's the sort of 12-digit number keypad we have on the left here, where people really struggle with those, or whether it's the better QWERTY keypads that we have on the BlackBerry, or the newer on-screen keypads. People make a lot more errors and they're a lot slower whenever they have to enter text on a website using their mobile phone than when using their PC. The final challenge I want to talk about was the context of use. So this is understanding the difference in the situation, location, or environment in which a mobile phone user is likely to browse the internet compared to a PC user. So a mobile phone user is more likely to be out and about, travelling or socialising than a PC user. Now, of course, the differences are blurring a bit. So, some mobile phone users now have access to their Wi-Fi networks at home, so they might browse at home. And some PC users have 3G dongles, which allow them to use their laptops while they're out and about. But typically, you're more likely to be browsing the internet while you're out and about if you're using a mobile phone than a PC. And the other difference to bear in mind is the goal that someone has. So when someone's browsing the internet on a mobile phone, they like to have a different goal in mind, a different objective or different state of mind when they're using a mobile phone than when they come to your website using a PC. And that's an important thing to bear in mind.